Angel here at Terry Henricks Chrysler. Gonna take you on a quick walk around of this 2008 Chevrolet Avalanche LT. This one does have running boards. It has tow package. Is 4-wheel drive. Got rear park assist. Tonneau cover. Outside's in decent shape. Tires look pretty good all the way around. This one is an example. We'll go take a look at the inside. Back seats are in good shape. This one does have entertainment system and a sunroof. Front seats look pretty good. 4-wheel drive options. Got almost 141,900 miles. Does have cruise control and menu controls. Center stack. Got navigation. Backup camera. Heated front seats. If you would like more information on this vehicle, you can check out the links in the description below, or you can give us a call here at Terry Henricks Chrysler, 419-445-2576, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to see more.